Kantera, the Radharani speaks more. Kantera Gambira Dwani, Navagana Dwani Jini, Yara Gune Kokila Lajai, Tara Eka Shuti Kane, Dubaya Jagatera Kane, Punakana Bahudi Na Ai. Radharani goes more to glorify Krishna's voice. First she compared Krishna's voice to the rumbling of a cloud. Now she's saying, again she's repeating that, Krishna's deep voice is more resonant than fresh rain clouds. Kantera Gambira Dwani. That's interesting. Kanta Dwani, sound in his throat is Gambir, it's very deep. Navagana Dwani Jini. And it's genie, it conquers. The word for word is, once I told you just make just take the word for word. You get such a nice translation. It said that first I compared Krishna's voice to clouds, and then I'm saying, actually it conquers. That's not fair. I'm comparing Krishna's voice to clouds, but you can't compare. Because first she said, oh, Krishna's voice is as deep as a cloud resounding in the sky. And she heard what she said, and although it's true and correct, and she thought, no, this is not good enough. She spoke that always, as she spoke, as anyone would, when they speak, they will also hear and think of what they're saying. And maybe unconsciously or consciously correct a mistake. They may speak while spontaneously speaking. So then she says, no, wait a minute. That's not exactly right. Krishna's voice is Gambira. Kantera Gambira Dwani. But it conquers, Krishna's voice conquers the sound of the new rain clouds. It's much better, it's supreme. And his sweet song defeats even the sweet voice of the cuckoo. Jara Gune Kokil Lajai. Says his voice is so sweet that it puts to shame. Laja means shyness, so if you just says nalaja, so that it defeats the laja, which means it puts the shame. It shames the cuckoos. The cuckoos think we have a really sweet voice, and when the cuckoos land on the tree and start singing, all the other birds are quiet, and they look at the cuckoo. Oh, you're a really good singer. So everyone's listening, and the cuckoos sing. Like this, they sing so nice, you know. So Radharani's voice, this is Radharani, and all the Padakartas, and everyone's always compares, oh, Radharani's voice is sweeter than the sound of a cuckoo. And then even Krishna, understanding that, once he went to the forest, and he tried to imitate Radharani's voice. So he went to the forest, late at night, he was imitating Radharani's voice, and he realized, he said, I can't imitate Radharani's voice, it's impossible. Her voice is so sweet, it's impossible to imitate her voice. So then, I can't imitate. Radharani's indomitable, and you can't imitate her voice. So then, what will I do? Well, at least I can try to sing like a cuckoo. So Krishna was in the middle of the forest, moon was rising in the eastern side, above the trees in the forest, and he started singing like a cuckoo. Radharani is in her house, and Yavat, just on the other side from that forest. And Radharani heard, and Lita heard, and Vishaka, and they were looking at each other. Everyone's looking back and forth. Did you hear what I heard? And they're all communicating with their eyes. And is that a cuckoo? I don't think so. But then Vishaka is very clever, actually. So then she said, everyone communicated through their eyes, yes, we know who that is. So then Vishaka said, oh, Janani, oh, Jatila, do you hear that cuckoo? Oh, yeah. It's very nearby. It's so sweet and charming. Oh, even though it's late, do you mind if we all go out for a little bit and try to see that cuckoo or hear that cuckoo? We'll all go out together, and it's okay. We're all together. Don't worry. okay, we'll go fast and come back. So then, it's a long story, and then it became a famous forest known as Kokilaban.